In this next video, we'll be talking about consecutive integers. So what exactly are consecutive integers? Well, it's basically integers, whole numbers that are in order. So for example, we can have 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. Right, we can also have 67, 68, 69, so on and so forth. We can also have negative numbers, meaning something like -8, -9, -10, so on and so forth. So basically, you add 1 or you subtract 1. Well, these are consecutive integers, but we can also have consecutive even numbers. So if we refer to consecutive even integers, that would be, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on and so forth. And if you're referring to odd integers, that would be like 1, 3, 5, 7, so on and so forth. Another way to represent all of this is to use algebra. So for example, if you're referring to consecutive integers, we can also have x to be the smallest integer, followed by x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, so on and so forth. And for even integers, we can have x followed by x plus 2, followed by x plus 4, followed by x plus 6. Similarly, for odd integers, if our first letter is odd, we can also use x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. With that in mind, let's solve a question. So in question 1, we have 6 consecutive positive integers whose sum is equal to 87. So firstly, we can let x be the smallest integer. So before we use x, we define it, right? Otherwise, it wouldn't make sense to just have x out of nowhere. Okay, then we have 6 positive integers, right? So let's write that. That would be x plus 1, followed by x plus 2, followed by x plus 3, x plus 4, and x plus 5. And this whole thing would be equal to 87. So 6x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That gives us 15, and this is equal to 87. This gives us 6x to be equal to 72. And if you want to find x, you divide by 6 on both sides, you get 9. So here, 9 is the smallest integer. You want to determine all 6 consecutive positive integers. So that would be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So you can check as well, add them all together. That should give you 87. Oh wait, there's an error. This here should be 9, this should be 12. So this is wrong as well. You should have 15, 16, and 17. Next, and question 2. Let's prove that the sum of 8 consecutive even integers is divisible by 8. So firstly, I will define a variable. I'm going to let x be the smallest even integer. Then next I will have x plus 2 plus x plus 4, so on and so forth until I have x plus 14. Then I'm going to add all of them up. This would give me 8x plus 56. And I can rewrite this as 8 multiply with x plus 7. And there we go. We have shown that it is indeed, the sum is indeed divisible by 8.